Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my video. Today I will show you an interesting video. You know what is that, guys? It's a surprise. Come. Guys, I will come back. Hi, I come back. Guys, do you know what is this? Guess. Guys, you will like it. I will disclose the surprise. This is a bird, guys. My little birds, my little birds, my little birds, fly up in the sky. My little birds will sing a song. Big bird name is LILLU. This small bird name is LALLA. Look, it's so cute, yeah? I put food for it. So cute. Hi friend, it was my surprise. Do you like it? Meow. This original name is Denna Lella, and the pet name is Lillu Lalla. The bird's same food is very tasty. I want more. Don't worry, birds. I will give you I have lot of in one cover. Okay, birds? Guys, I think birds are listening me. They are very happy now. Baby butterfly. Hi, how are you? Are you fine? Take. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One lame Lalla, one lame name Lulu. Fly away, Lalla, fly away, Lulu. Come back, Lulu, come back, Lalla. Did you like my song? Bye.